Hi, in this video, we are going to focus on how to use passing 6/4 in 4-part writing. It includes 1 5C 1B and 4 1C 4B. Passing 6/4 is like a bridge. We have 5C as a passing 6/4. Because C stands for second inversion, it is the same as figure base 6/4. So it is called passing 6/4, and it acts as a bridge between 1 and 1B. 1 is the tonic chord in root position, and 1B is the first inversion. If we sing it in major key, it will be Do goes to Mi. So it is a third apart. When we insert the 5C, it is a Re. So T Re is the fifth in the bass. So it matches like a bridge, and it is all by step. Do, Re, Mi. Passing 6/4 is like a bridge, also applied to 1C. It is the tonic chord second inversion, acts as a bridge between 4 and 4B. In major key, it sings as Fa and La. So we can insert a Sol in between. It becomes Fa, Sol, La. 1C sings as Do, Mi, So. So is the fifth in the bass. So it becomes Fa, Sol, La. Now let's look at solfege map for passing 6/4 in major keys. When we have Do, Re, Mi in the bass, we can harmonize it with 1 5C 1B. Do, Re, Mi is the first three notes in the major scale. Then we can harmonize it for soprano with contrary motion. So it becomes Mi, Re, Do. The inner part is Do, Ti, Do, and So, So, So. We just remember this pattern and sing it like a song. Do, Re, Mi, Mi, Re, Do, Do, Ti, Do, So, So, So. These three parts is interchangeable. That means we can use the Mi, Re, Do, put it in the tenor or in the alto. Similarly, the Do, Ti, Do can be in the soprano or in the tenor. So we can interchange these three parts. When we have Mi, Re, Do in the bass, we can do it with a reverse pattern. That is 1B, 5C, and 1. The rest are the same. We also have Fa, Sol, La when we have 4, 1C, 4B. This is the fourth note, fifth note, and the sixth note in the major scale. So Fa, Sol, La, La, Sol, Fa, Fa, Mi, Fa, Do, Do, Do is the pattern. We can also use it in a reverse way. La, Sol, Fa in the bass, Fa, Sol, La in the soprano. And the inner part doesn't change. And remember, these three parts is interchangeable. Solfege map for passing 6/4 in minor keys are the same, but the solfege changes because we sing La as the first note in minor scale. So it becomes La, Ti, Do, Do, Ti, La, La, Si, La, Mi, Mi, Mi. The C is the leading note. Remember to sharpen the leading note in minor keys. This is 1 5C 1B. Reverse the same pattern, just swap with the soprano and the bass. And usually is when the bass is given, we put down the Roman numerals first. We can also use 4 1C 4B in minor keys, and it sings as Re, Mi, Fa, Fa, Mi, Re, Re, Do, Re, La, La, La. Reverse like this, 4B, 1C, and 4. Now let's look at some musical example. This is an example in C major. Just remember 5C, we have to double the fifth. If we sing according to the pattern, then everything will be fine and there will be no consecutives. Bass is C, D, E, sings as Do, Re, Mi. And the melody in soprano, Mi, Re, Do, goes contrary with the bass. Do, Ti, Do in the tenor, and So, So, So here. When the bass is Mi, Re, Do, then we go reverse, Do, Re, Mi on top, then Do, Ti, Do, So, So, So. We don't have to change it. We can also change the Do, Re, Mi, Mi, Re, Do for just the bass and the tenor. The Do, Ti, Do, this time we put it in the soprano, and So, So, So keep in the alto. Or we can choose a lower registration. Maybe the melody is very low in register, it's a C. Then we just put it Do, Re, Mi, Mi, Re, Do, and repeat the Do, Ti, Do in the same middle C area. Then the so will give it to the tenor. Now let's listen to it. Now listen to D major. This is F major, 4, 1C, 4B. 1C also must double the fifth, or the bass. This is Fa, Sol, La, La, Sol, Fa, Fa, Mi, Fa, Do, Do, Do. Then we can reverse it when we have La, Sol, Fa in the bass. Next example is Fa, Sol, La, La, Sol, Fa is in the tenor, Fa, Mi, Fa in the soprano, and the Do, Do, Do keep in the alto. Sometimes we can put the Do, Do, Do in the soprano, or the soprano has a long tonic. Then the bass can be harmonized as La, Sol, Fa, or reverse. When we have La, Sol, Fa in the bass given, then we can choose to have the repeated tonic in the soprano. So here is Fa, Sol, La in the tenor, La, Sol, Fa in the bass, Fa, Mi, Fa in the alto, and Do, Do, Do in the soprano. Let's listen to it. Now we will look at C minor. The pattern sings as La, Ti, Do, Do, Ti, La, La, Si, La, Mi, Mi, Mi. Just take note that the leading note should be sharpened. In C minor, that's a B natural. So the same pattern go reverse when we have Do, Ti, La in the bass. La, Ti, Do. We can also put La, Si, La in the soprano or in a lower registration. You can pause the video for a while and do further analysis and listen to the musical example. Look at F minor, 4, 1C, 4B. They are all minor qualities. Re, Mi, Fa, Fa, Mi, Re, Re, Do, Re, La, La, La. Okay, so this one goes up, and then when we have this Fa, Mi, Re, it becomes reverse. 4B, 1C, 4. And the same pattern applies, same as in major key. Sing the pattern as you do the 4 parts so that you can be familiarized with the whole pattern. As a summary for this video, we have learned the passing 6/4, 1, 5C, 1B, and 4, 1C, 4B, both in major key and minor key. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful or interesting, please subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.